Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Concept Clear. Today we have discussed about class 6 history, chapter number 4 in the earliest cities. In this video we have discussed about city as a Harappa city. This is the most important topic of the UPSC because the many questions asked previously in UPSC. So let's start today our discussion. We have find and some archaeology site are the find in the Punjab, Rajasthan and presently in Pakistan and Gujarat also. These sites are the Harappan site. When the railway construction start, archaeologists survey of officer may notice some are evidence are the different from other cities and they get knowledge about Harappa city. Harappa city is the 4700 year ago built and it was the most oldest subcontinent and first discovered site in the India and most important construction of houses and the villages is like urban system. This is the most important site archaeologists find. The cities is developed 4700 years ago and discovered by the some archaeologists site officer like Dayaram Sahani is the most important name that are related with the Harappa site. Then next is what was special about the cities? How the city are different from the other cities, other civilization. This civilization is different. How the difference? What is the difference of civilization? So these cities are mainly divided in the two parts. Mainly in the two part. One part are the smaller and second part are the higher. One part are smaller and second part are higher. So divide into a two part. Archaeologists describe is the citadel. The citadel is the houses system in the like a urban style house system. It's called as a citadel. And they are the two types of lower town and higher town. Higher town where the people are rich and they have got knowledge about the some facilities, more facilities. They are live in the higher town and some other peoples are live in the lower town. The city is found in the Punjab, Sindh, Punjab, Pakistan and mainly Gujarat, Rajasthan, Haryana. And archaeology site we have find like pottery, poetry, painting, design, stone, weight, seals, special beard, copper tools and many more types of evidence we have find in Harappan cities. Then next is Mohenjo-daro. In this Harappan civilization, the most important city is Mohenjo-daro. If you are not seeing the movie of Mohenjo-daro, you can see it. It's a clarity basic concept and very interested movie. So for example, Mohenjo-daro. Mohenjo-daro has special tank. It's called as a special bath, great bath. It's called as a great bath. They have it's a constructed like great bath is located. Mohenjo great bath is like this and constructed with here bricks. Constructed with bricks, coated with plaster. Here is coated with plaster. Why plaster? Because the water are not leakage in the earth and also has a one kind of drainage system. The great bath has also has a drainage system. So it's called as the urban civilization because the facilities of all the in the Harappan civilization as we have presently used facilities. In this map, most important site like Mohenjo-daro is here located. Mohenjo-daro and in the Gujarat, Surkotada is most important. Dholavira, Surkotada, Sukota in Afghanistan, Lothal in Gujarat, Harappan, Rakhigadi, Kalibanghan in Rajasthan, Kangeriawala and many more. These sites are also located in the river, near the river. This site is located near the river because when the civilization are the grow up, so mainly use water for the grow up, mainly use for the water. So these sites are also located near the water like Indus, and it's located near the Indus. The most of the site are located in the Indus. You can see the Indus river here. So most of located site is here. Other site like Kalibangal. Kalibangal is located in Rajasthan, Lothal in the Gujarat. We have find fire alerts in Kalibangal and Lothal. Mohenjo-daro is the most important site, and also Lothal. All the site mentioned in this map. Then next, house drains and stress. How the system of houses. Generally, they have the one or two stored house with the high with rooms. Generally, they have one or two houses. Many of cities had covered the drains. Notice carefully this. They have the drainage system. Houses they have the drainage system. Great Bath in the Mohenjo-daro drainage system, and houses system is as like at urban system. And the big pipe are the connected with the all small pipes. So these are the created a huge drainage system in the Mohenjo-daro and other Harappan site. Life in the cities. Harappan city was very busy place. There was the people are the plan in the construction special building in the city. This life of the cities. The city people. The peoples are live in the city. They are the very busy because they have the new construction like a building, roads. They have also facility of road and rules in the present distance. This is the most beautiful cities. They have the people are the involved the various kind of activities, various kind of new infrastructural activities, and create a good object of the cities. They are the agricultures. They have a good agriculture sectors. Men and women both are participate in the agriculture sector. Many of the craft person they have traveled one place to another place. Also get evident of the traveling. The men and women travel one place to other place. They have many of the toys and some of the evidence their children are playing with them. Here is the example of seal and script. One example of skill and script. Then next is I attach map of Harappan civilization. This is Indus River. Mohenjo-daro site most important. Here is the Gujarat important site Lothal and Dholavira and other. Kalibangan in the Rajasthan here and other Pakistan sites of the Harappa. Harappan in the located in the Punjab. This is the Great Bath system of Harappa. Great Bath system of Harappa. Their women and men are the take bath in the special occasion and special festivals, and also get a drainage system. Here is the water system and also water drainage system. Then next is here is the house of 2 or 3 rooms houses and 1 room houses system, small house and big also house systems in the Harappan civilization. New craft in the cities. Most of the archaeologists found in the stone and metal craft, bronze and gold and silver, copper, and many kind of weapons, ornament, whistle, gold and silver ornaments they have got. Like this example. Also gold and silver ornaments. The Harappan made also a beautiful black pots. Black pots design are also found in the Harappan site. Stone are the not more weighty and beats many of their are carline beautiful red stone. Many of the stones are used in the cutting shape. You can see that. Also embroidery clothes. We have also get embroidery clothes in the Harappan side. Cotton was probably grown in Mehrak. Cotton is the probably grown in the Mehrak 7,000 years ago. We can find evidence of the cotton in the Mehrak. Mehrak is presently located in the Pakistan. We have seen in the next video, chapter number 3. If you are not seen this video, so see it because it's the most important concept for the UPSC. Then fines. Fines is the seal, unlike a stone or seal. Fine is the stone or steel. It's made from the glue or rubber. It's made from the glue. It's an artificial product. It's produced by the gum and make a classy objective for this and make of the many ornaments, bangles, beads, earring, tiny whistle from this kind of objects. A specialist person, one of the specialist persons who has skill in, like some person has the skill cutting stone, some has the skill like polishing beads, or some have carving skill, and many person to person they have expert in any kind of skill and use of skill they have the create a new idea or new object for the Harappan site and also sold it in other country. Raw materials. Raw materials in the found such as like wood and oral metals, finished good, for example cotton. Raw material get like cotton. Cotton is used for the clothes. They get cotton as a raw material and make a clothes. From they have get a raw material and create a new objective or new things for the earning purpose. For example, gold ornaments. Tin, which is the mix with copper, bronze, may have been brought from the present Afghanistan or Iran. They have get tin in Afghanistan and Iran. Gold from the Karnataka. They have got Harappan side people got collected gold from Karnataka and precious stone from the Gujarat, Iran and Afghanistan. Where got precious stone? Gujarat, Iran and Afghanistan. Then next is food for the people and cities. Crops, they have the grow crops for the food. They have hunting animals for the persons. For the persons they have the storage system also. Normally they eat like wheat, barley, pulse, peas, rice, seeds and mustard. They have used plug for the agriculture sectoral for the agricultural purpose and get plug with the make a plug with the wood, use of wood. They have also water storage system. When they have got when heavy rainfall and some time of irrigation, use of make of irrigation, they have storage also water. They have herding animals like cattle, sheep, goat, buffalo. One thing is the most important, horse are not used by the Harappan peoples. Horse and iron are not useful for the Harappan people. This is question asked in the UPSC previously. Horse are not used in the Harappan site and iron are also not used in the Harappan site. Aryas are used in the horse and iron. Next is Dholavira. Dholavira is located in Kutch in the Khadir Bed. Dholavira is located in Kutch in Khadir Bed, where fresh water and fertile soil, unlike some of Harappan site. Dholavira is located in Kutch in Khadir Bed, run of Kutch. Dholavira was divided into 3 parts. Harappan site are divided into 2 parts, but Dholavira is the one of unique site. There are divided in the 3 parts. This is the most important. Then next is city is Lothal. Lothal is also located in Gujarat. Tributaries near the Sabarmati. You can also remember which side are the located which river. So Lothal are located to Sabarmati, and Gulf of Khambat, location of Gulf of Khambat. This is the most important site. A huge dockyard is found in the Lothal. Huge dockyard found in the Lothal. And many storehouses and many of the precious stones also found in the Lothal. Lothal is the most important site. Here is the map of the Dholavira. Here is the run of Kutch and located Dholavira site. And also other important site like Surkotra, Lothal. Then next is seal and sealing. Seal means spot when the people are the travel from the one place to another place, like this place to this place. So they have use of the packet. This is the seal pack, airtight packet. So this side, if they are use this packet and take from this side, so use of this packet, they have the surely safety of the food, used for the safety of the food. The Majesty of the End. Around 3,900 ago, some of the people said this side of the coast by the tsunami and the other natural disaster. The most important site located in the Punjab, Pakistan, Gujarat and Rajasthan. Here is the Egypt dry desert concept you can find in the Atlas. So this is the concept about the Harappan civilization and the most important site of Harappa. If you want to PDF of this lecture, so you can join Telegram channel Concept Clear. The channel link given in the description below. If you like this video and you get a more video of the topic of UPSC, so please subscribe the channel and like the video. Thank you.